From a business standpoint, there's really a couple dimensions. One, and it's the first one because it's most obvious, is the ability to make those decisions faster. You saw an example of a marketing optimization process that used to take 10, 12, even 15 hours. I ran it in 90 seconds. We could do that around a conference room 3 or 4 times in 5 minutes and have gone through 3 scenarios that would have taken 3 days. So one is faster. The second one is you're able to do that analysis, and it's advanced work, right? It's analytical work from a business user though, at a more granular level. You don't have to sample the data, you don't have to scale the data down. We are saying use all of your data and run those analytical techniques or those business applications. And they're going to run in 90 seconds, not in 10 or 12 hours. So it's faster, it's more granular, and those are with your business problems today. We've also seen customers solving problems they could not solve before, really because of the state of the technology. There was one that was trying to do some work and they were letting some things run, and it was 100+ hours, 120 hours. And literally the infrastructure would shut down. Either something was timing out or failing. So you can do it faster, you've got the ability to do it at a much more granular level, and in some cases they're solving problems in a way they couldn't do it before. The best way we discover things, how do we find them? We find them by seeing them. So whether you're seeing a pattern and a trend or you may be seeing an anomaly, visually you can see that. And there's 20 or 30 different ways to visually render that. I really think that is the biggest component right now. Of course, we do core business intelligence, so production reporting, dissemination of that information out to the web and mobile devices so we can get it out to the decision makers. But being able to see it and really understand what's in there, that's really the component right now that's helping folks solve some problems and find new things with their data. So when I talk to customers, most of the times I find them to be more excited, but curious, because they're trying to figure out, if I had more data, what would I do with it? And it really breaks down in 3 roles. So if it's the business analyst, they're very excited because they see the ability to have more data and more power to analyze it. Again, it's not just how much data can I store, it's what can I do with that, what analysis and techniques can I use. The business analyst is absolutely ecstatic about this. The executive levels are also excited, especially those who appreciate the responsiveness because they see the impact on the business. And they also see this as really a way for their organization to make fact-based decisions. A gut feel, a hunch kind of thing really doesn't work long-term anymore. And those executives that really appreciate the fact-based decision world love it and embrace it and really want to understand more, how can they do it. From an IT standpoint, obviously the IT organization in a company wants to be a business partner, and they partner with the business unit. So they're not fearful of it, but they want to make sure they can bring it into an environment that can be managed and secured, treated like corporate data, and they also appreciate the nature of what you saw today too, that's self-service. Those business analysts can do a lot on their own. It's not always a back and forth for a new request each day or each week. So that really helps the IT teams work on those strategic projects and less on the operational side.